Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and strap your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and one of those will be right away the Do Not Disturb mode visible right here. Once you see it first time around, you can hold it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. So I recommend going through this section at least once to get accustomed to how it even is set by default, and obviously changing things that you don't like. Once you have done so, you can close this and then find the toggle and simply tap on it whenever you want to enable it. Once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once again to turn it off, as otherwise by default this would run indefinitely in the background. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.